our last little cruise with Taz, driving into town. There's the Sky Tower. And it's here.
Good.
We're parking under the ground.
We just have to remember 1, what level we're on.
Okay.
And 2, what colour we're on. Yeah?
By the post?
By the post.
Yeah. P5 by the post. 571. And here we are with a bit of a sky jump for Taz, and out we go. Sun. Yeah. Guess where we're going, Taz? Know where we are, Taz? For a treat, huh?
You didn't tell me anything.
Well, the plan was to park over at the hotel, over at our hotel, the quarantine hotel, and walk back with a surprise. We're here at the depot, and Taz is surprised. And it's great because it's wet and there's nobody here. I love it. This is the tour challenge. Put it on your plate, Taz. You can't cut it on the shelf, yeah? Okay. So it's just like it. Now we've got it. And just slides through. You'll cut the other one in half and it's done. Yeah, what's the verdict? Good? Potatoes cannot be served.
The blue cheese.
Oh, the dessert. And clams. And sweet corn. And cheese. Whoa. That's a feast. One of the girls into the casino. Okay, we're going down. What are you looking for? Oh, you'll be lucky.
See if we can figure it out.
No, just exit, just keeps going. I just looked up here. And it just says, tap and go, tap and go.
The cameras.
I like it. Well, I could talk to you. No. Yeah, Taz, you're used to it. Go, girl. Tap and go. This lady here was dancing with her music before. She's like a park legend. Test of our technology. Hold. One moment, please. We're a winner. We're out of here. And into Hobson Street. Our apartment. Okay, we're in familiar streets. Okay. This is old territories. The vaccination result, which is actually negative result, which is very positive.
Do you know how to use your indicator? No indicator.
He's trying to back into this and he doesn't really know. It's a bloke.
Left, eh?
Left, yeah. And then you have to go across that road, which is always busy. Yeah, straight across it. There it is over there. Well wise. And you've got a car park next door, a place next door too, which you just got to double park there. There's no one in there, but you're okay this side. there's a park straight ahead which you can go into, I think. Yeah. If I just go and hook into this and just boogie-loo, or either one of these. That one, watch that pole there though.
I'm just going to park here.
Yeah, just park there. Yeah, just park there.